Hey everybody, Thermal Mike, and welcome to Taipei, Taiwan, as Thermaltake introduces our liquid cooling gaming flagship store. That's right, folks, we have a whole new store here from Thermaltake to cover all your needs to build a custom PC, be able to grab some components, go over entertainment and do a test drive with those products as well, all the way down to building a custom liquid cooled PC. That's right, folks, we're going to be offering custom liquid cooled PC classes to be able to show you how to do hard tube bending, as well as build a full system all the way from scratch and be able to take that home and game here at the Thermaltake store. So let's go ahead and take a look at our entertainment section. Moving over here, you can see that we have our beautiful Battle Station RGB desks, and we have customers able to come in here and play some of the latest games and test drive our liquid cooling products, as well as our gaming peripherals. And it gives a nice advantage to users being able to test drive before they buy, as they can pick up all these products here directly at the store just at the same time. And speaking of products, moving over here, we have a long list of products that we have available to sell and purchase, including our new Ram Rgb. That's right, folks, this is our new Ram Rgb that's going to be available in 3000 and 3600 megahertz speeds. So look forward to that and more information here from Computex. Over here we have our customization section where we can show and educate as well customers on how to build a custom liquid cooled PC. Being able to provide all the parts up front to the customer so they can get some hands-on with the product, be able to go through the process with a specialist that can help assist you with building the system and or finding the right parts that you would need. And we have everything available here, from little ins and out different types of fittings to tubing, cooling products, motherboards, graphic cards, and more. And we have all this available here to purchase, so you can come in, take a look at what's going on, and if you want, be able to put that all together with a specialist and take it home to game. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of my favorite sections here, which is our liquid cooling gaming PC laboratory. Now here in our gaming PC lab, we have all the tools and products available for users to come in and get to bending. As you can see here, we have this custom Thermaltake apron that we'll have here for safety, of course, but it also gives a nice little style to it.
Dieses Video wird euch von MSI präsentiert. News und Testberichte zu den MSI Gaming Produkten findet ihr unter dem Link in der Infokarte.
Also gives a nice little style to it for everybody to be able to wear, as well as some safety glasses. We even have this really cool limited Thermaltake hat here to wear too, which I think is just a nice little add-on here for being able to be a part of our gaming lab. Of course, safety first here with our safety glasses and gloves. As you're going to be doing bending, you're going to be involved with the heat gun, and of course that heat and everything, we want to make sure that we're safe going through that process. Plenty of tools here to go through, as well as components and products that you may or may not want to install. And then going forward with that, we'll be doing a full build. We'll be going into hard tubing. We'll be filling that liquid coolant. And then of course at that last point, we'll be firing it up for the first time to make sure everything's up and running. So let's take a look at the rest here at the Gaming PC Lab. Now, as you can see here at our gaming PC lab, we have systems that are being put together here for clients that are looking to do an upgrade service on their system, and or to be able to step in here and be able to do custom classes as well, to be able to learn how to do this themselves. As you can see here, we have a custom core P3 that's being put together. We got some tube work, we got some inserts, we got some heat guns, and we're going to work here with this product. Now with all of this, we're going to be able to not just be able to pick the components we want, but put them together. But of course, once everything's all said and done, we got to test it. So we have a simple burn-in session here so that people can hook up their system, run some preliminary benchmarks on it, and just make sure everything's up and running, and of course, not have any leaks there with that custom liquid cooling you just put in. And then that way they can get everything all started, that fresh install of Windows, all ready to go, and then we pack it all up and they can take it home and get to gaming here with Thermaltake. So that's it here for our tour of our liquid cooling gaming flagship store here in Taiwan. And we're just super excited. We hope if you guys are around, come check us out here and everything, and we'll see you guys next time.